you need to do this immediately so that you don't miss AriChain Airdrop. This is the AriChain Twitter handle, the X handle, and they have just dropped an update, and you need to do it, okay, as soon as possible. All right, so AriChain has dropped that everyone who is doing the AriChain airdrop should submit their wallet address. Now this indicates that the airdrop is just around the corner, so make sure your AriChain wallet is update it now for us to go. So I'm going to open it and click on the testnet, and once it's updated you will see this. If it's not updated, they will tell you to update it. Now you can see you have to submit your tax proof. We have 17 days and several hours, so you have to submit this as soon as possible. What you need to submit is your Ethereum address. You can either submit your Trust Wallet, your MetaMask address. EVM means Ethereum virtual machine, okay, compatible wallet. All right, so we are going to submit all of this. We are going to submit all of this. Now many people make this mistake to submit their Ari wallet on this tax. That's not what you need to do. Okay, I'll show you where you need to do that. Okay, it's 2 times. You have to do this verification 2 times. This is the first one we are going to do. Okay, when they say Ethereum address, they don't mean the address from your Ari wallet. Don't submit the address from your Ari wallet. It's a mistake and you're going to miss that airdrop if you submit it. So follow me, I'll show you how you are going to do that. So I'll go and copy my Trust Wallet address. Okay, I'll copy my Ethereum address on Trust Wallet or MetaMask, anyone you are using. Okay, once I copy that, I'm going to copy my Twitter handle. Okay, my Twitter username, I'll copy that. So for my X handle, I know my X handle, but let me go get my Discord. Okay, let's do for Discord first of all. So my Discord, I'll come over to my account, and I'm going to copy my username. Don't copy the display name, it is your username. Okay, there are 2 different things. So copy my username on Discord. Once I do that, I'll put my name on my username on Twitter and the address I want to submit. Once I do that, and I'll click verify. Now make sure their EVM address is your Trust Wallet or any address you put. Okay, then I'll submit it. Once it verifies it, I'll submit it. Now they say tax proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, please enter the same information, as the wallet address, Discord handle and Twitter handle, using your submitted Discord account. So you go to Discord and submit the same things that you did. So the Discord you submitted the username, go to that same Discord and submit inside Ari Wallet. So let's go there. Okay, now you see I've clicked and they say submission successfully. Now this is not where you stop. You must do the second one, or you have not done anything at all. Okay, a lot of videos on YouTube that are circulating is just for this one. The second one is very, very important, and that's where we have to go to Discord. If you are doing Ari Wallet, then you are already on their Discord channel, so I'll show you how to go about this. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This is not where it stops. Okay, you need to submit the second one, which a lot of people are missing out. Okay, I feel so sorry for them. They will miss out. Let's go to their Discord. So when we go to Discord, we see account registration on their Discord channel. So just click on that account registration. You see a lot of people are submitting. You see a lot of submission going on. So I'll show you how to go about it. Click on that message, and once you click on the message where you can type in your message, I'm going to show you now. Once you click in, just put slash, and you see a lot of message pop up. Put submission. Okay, registration bot. Click on that registration bot, then it's going to pop up what you are going to submit. Okay, now it's going to pop up like this. Submit the same Trust Wallet you put in the app. Submit that same Trust Wallet. Submit the same Twitter account, okay, and your Ari wallet. This is where you submit your Ari wallet. Okay, you see it down there. So we are going to go to our Ari wallet app and copy our Ari wallet address, okay, and put here. Okay, this is where it is needed, not on the app. All right, so you copy that same address you use your trust wallet address you use, put it, your same Twitter. Okay, so let's go to Ari Wallet, and I'm going to copy. Let's go to Ari Wallet, and once I go to Ari Wallet, I will just testnet, and I'm going to click on this receive. I'll click on receive here. When I click on receive, then I'm going to copy the address. Now you see the address, it starts with ARO. Okay, that's the Ari Wallet address. When you copy it, you go back to their Discord and you put it. Okay, put it where they say Ari Wallet, not your EVM. Put it where you say Ari Wallet. Once you put that, put the same Twitter account that you use, the same X Twitter, and the same address for your trust wallet. Put it there, the EVM. Once you do that, submit it. Okay, this is very, very important as the first one. Once you submit it, you see that they said that your submission has been saved. Okay, if you want to edit it or change anything, you can still go back and do that. Okay, you still have a few days to do this now. So that's just how to go about it. The first and the second one is very important. See you on my next video.